everybody, well, almost everybody, says that they want to protect the children when they're getting divorced. Who wouldn't want that? Who wants to put your children through a difficult time, even if it's a difficult time for you? And yet, it's really, really hard not to make your children's lives more difficult, more painful, and frankly, a little bit scarier. I'm Katherine Miller, and I've been a divorce attorney in New York State and New York City for over 30 years. I'm also the host of Divorce Dialogues, a radio show and podcast where I've been interviewing people around divorce topics for almost 10 years. And I recently conducted a re-interview with Ellen Bruno. And Ellen Bruno is a filmmaker. She created a film called Split, where she interviewed 12 children, little guys, going through divorce. And the film is so amazingly powerful in the voices of these children to hear their experience. No agenda, no trying to convince you of anything, just their straight own words with no adult talking about what it was like going through divorce for them. When I first saw the film, I burst into tears within the first 5 minutes, and I cried pretty much throughout the film just because it's so touching and so genuine, and these kids are so vulnerable. And she recently completed another film with these same 12 children. All 12 of them showed up to do this as teenagers and young adults to talk about 10 years later, what has their experience been? And that film is also incredibly powerful. So if you are going through a divorce, or you are a parent of divorce, you're a parent with children, whether or not they're little guys, medium-aged teenagers, or they're adults, this film is incredibly good, a great resource for you and for people who are going through this. And I highly recommend it. I would seriously recommend that you listen to the interview on Divorce Dialogues, which you can find wherever you listen to podcasts or divorcedialogues.com, and that you look for Ellen Bruno's film Split. We can help you find it if you give us a ring, and we'll give you an option to find a place to view the film. Thanks for listening.